Hi, this is Tiberta from Wood Nettle Farm. I'm standing here where we're going to be planting a microfood forest on this Saturday, May 26th. And I've got my shovel in hand. I'm going to be digging a lot of holes this week in preparation. We're going to be planting some fruit trees, including apple, plum, and pear. This is for starters. And then we're going to also plant some nitrogen fixing trees. I'll explain the reason for planting that on the weekend. The next thing that we're going to plant is some berry bushes. So we have a variety of bushes, I think 4 or 5 different varieties. Plus, we're going to plant some perennial vegetables and herbs in there. All of this to mimic what happens in nature in the natural succession of things. And really it's to demonstrate how much food we can grow in such a small space. Additionally, what's most important to me is on top of the food that we're preparing for ourselves, growing for ourselves in this very intensive gardening method, is the reduction of potential for disease because of the biodiversity of planting. And also, even more importantly in my books, is that we'll be supporting pollinators, especially the honeybees that need our help. We need them and they need us. So I hope you can join me from 9 to 3 this Saturday for a day full of fun planting, and it will also include a farm-style lunch. Hope to see you. Thanks.